What's happening, Kim Folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, is Saturday, July 30th. And today is the day Bubba's benefit, man. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is for Bubba and Gracie to help them out. Because as y'all know, Bubba, of course, was in an accident. Car pulled out in front of him and on his motorcycle, and he ended up having to have his foot amputated. So this is going to help them out. We got all kinds of raffles out here, man. We had barbecue plates, so it's going really good so far. We've got tons of bikes out here as well. So I'll take y'all inside. They're upstairs in the tap room over here at Southern Star Brewery. So again, we want to give thanks to Southern Star for letting us host this event here. But we're gonna go upstairs here in a little bit, and I'm gonna show you who's here, who came and came to support the whole cause as well. So, but I just wanted to let y'all know. What do you think, Bubba?
Good turnout so far.
Good turnout so far. Yeah, it just started 3 o'clock, right? So it's 3:25. So we got tons of people here already. So here in a little bit, we'll go inside. I'll show you who came on the motorcycles, and then we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. You know, oh, he's upstairs.
Oh, Keith.
From the, you got his truck?
He's coming all the time.
Oh yeah, man, that's a good guy, man. He's the one that let us host it here. Amazing guy, amazing guy. So that's awesome, man. I'm glad y'all came out. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you, thank you.
If I do get one, yeah.
And then we got Mr. Omar. Appreciate it, brother.
I told you I was gonna come.
I know. If y'all don't know, man, Omar's got a YouTube channel, of course, as well. So throw it down there.
Omar LS2.
Omar LS2, man. So y'all go check him out. He does cool shit with cars and trucks. This one?
Where's the beer?
Upstairs, bro. Upstairs.
Bon Chill. I recommend Bon Chill.
Yeah.
I just want a beer.
That's a good one, Mom.
Bon Chill.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go.
All right, here we go. Let's go. Oh, man. Southern Star Brewery again, man. So good, so good. Mr. Keith back there, he's always helped us out. Great people here, man. Y'all come check them out if you want to come see some great people and have some great beer over here. So let me show you who ended up coming down and showing up, show some support for us over here. As you can see, Mr. Salty. Mr. Salty showed up. And I got my other brother here, man. Everybody's here showing up, but they came down, showed support, so we really appreciate that. We got the bikes out there. How's the beer, man?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Strawberry blonde.
Strawberry blonde, baby. That's what it is. If y'all ever want to come out and have a great time over here at a good brewery, man, like I said, the people here are amazing. So make sure y'all come down to Southern Star here in Conroe, Texas. And they always show love for any time we have to have something. We've had events here before, so, and y'all had events here before as well, right? So they're good people here, man, great people. So y'all come check us out, or come check them out. I better quit drinking, and we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Did you bring extra batteries?
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
So look who else showed up.
I hope your editing's better than mine.
Man, they also came out, man. You know, John and Colin, man, and Mike, Travis, and the family, man. So we really appreciate y'all coming out too. And then where's HD at? Where's Jack at? There he is. So, hey man, again, I appreciate y'all coming out, man. Much love, much love. Thank y'all so much. Hey, I'm gonna talk to Jack a little bit. I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank you, brother. Look who else? Mr. HD.
What's up, man? Jack. What's up, buddy?
Came down from Austin.
Yes, I did.
You the man. You the man. So I appreciate it, brother. So, what do you think of the food? The brisket good?
It's even better than
Is it really? Is it good? I appreciate it, man. My dad killed that shit.
Your dad made it?
Yeah, my dad made it. Yeah, he cooked it. Without him, man, I wouldn't have been able to do any of it. You know what I'm saying? So the sausage and everything. How you doing?
This is my buddy Eric.
Eric?
What's going on,
Nice
bro?
to meet you, sir. Nice
What's
to
your
meet you.
name?
I appreciate it. Knuckles.
No?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
you know
Knuckles.
this
Yes,
too.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So I appreciate you coming out, man. Thank you a
Lot
lot.
of boxes, bro.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully it was good. I don't know, unless this guy was talking about. Oh yeah, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Hey, again, I appreciate y'all coming down, man. I know it's a long ride. It's hot as shit out here, man. So.
Actually, wasn't that? I mean, I did it. Now I left the house at like 7 o'clock in the morning,
Right.
and I got to Shorkin Biker's house probably like noon.
Yeah.
So it wasn't that bad.
Not too bad.
And we just hung out for a while.
Yeah. So you came down this way, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a short trek.
Yeah. So I appreciate it, man. Thank y'all very much.
No problem.
fiance Gracie, and I personally want to thank everybody that came out today. It means so much to us, man. And I know Bubba and Gracie greatly appreciate it as well. The support that we've gotten from everybody, social media, personal friends, family, co-workers, has been amazing. It's overwhelming, and I know Bubba and Gracie feel the same way. And so from the bottom of our hearts, man, we want to tell everybody that's here and everybody that came, everybody that came out, that I didn't get to say thank you to, I appreciate it. We appreciate it. Much love, man. It means so much to us. And so, again, I also want to thank my dad and my brother for doing all the cooking. My mother-in-law made the rice, my mom made the beans, and all the family here that have done, taken the money for the plates, and which the main one's my wife, because that's what she does to me. But I appreciate it, man. Everybody that's come together to make this happen, it's been amazing. And again, I want to tell y'all from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it so much. So Bubba's over there too. If you haven't got to say hi to him, he's over there hanging out. So hey, get with him, man. Say hi again. He would like to say thank you personally as well. So again, much love. I appreciate it. Thank y'all so much, man.
Okay, the first thing, it was donated by our North Tejana Designs, which they are over there. Raise your hand. Thank you so much for donating it. This is all items that they've created, handmade. They do have business cards, so make sure you grab one before you leave. All right, I hope you guys are ready. All right, I have one. Amanda Langston. Are they gone? Okay, thank you, Amanda Langston. Okay, next is the Park Lane jewelry sets. That was donated by my mom, Grandma Juani. All right, here we go. The winner is Ray the Third. All right. Okay, the next item is Rev It Up. This is a motorcycle gear shop that is located here in Conroe. So check them out, Rev It Up. All right, here we go. All right. You're going to think I'm lying, but the winner is Ray the Third. All right, the next one is Big Kev's Custom Pins. Kevin is Knuckles, one of Knuckles' best friends, and he creates custom pins. We're gonna have a Holy hand pick it because they said mine is no good. I don't know about Holy. Who is it? Brian. Is he here? Brian? No?
You know who he is?
Alright, go ahead and put it with. Okay, the next one is Terry Vaughn RVs. They donated $100 worth of propane fill. So you get a voucher for this one. Put it a little bit closer. Jesus. Ray.
What the hell? He called it. He even called it. Oh, wow.
And you're going to need it. All right, the next item is the best one here. Just so you know, it's Far Out Custom Designs. That's me and Dwayne's business. We do a lot of custom work and woodwork, laser engraving. And the winner is Kenneth Moore. Okay, the next one is the Corona Light Up sign. The Corona Extra, I'm sorry. It's donated by Faith Robinson.
Big
Jeremy! Woo-woo! All right, the next thing was donated by K&N. They provide hardware, nuts and bolts and stuff, and the whole thing over there is a value of $150. All right, and the winner is Jeremy! We need another hand. We need another hand. Go sit down somewhere. Ashley's going to pick this time. This next one was donated by Dwayne's mom, Deanna. She donated. She made the art painting, the diamond painting over there. And the frame was custom made by Dwayne's dad, Justo. Okay, the winner is Daniela. All right, the next one was donated by TER Texas. They have donated a spray-in bed liner worth $550, and you'll get the voucher for this one. This one has a lot of tickets. This is a good one. The winner is Rick Frank.
Oh, man.
Too bad. Let's pick another one.
They don't even have a truck.
Okay, so this Simpson helmet is the gold edition, which is limited edition. The value on this helmet is $550. It was donated by Loudmouth Cycles. Mix it up a lot, like a lot. Make sure it doesn't come out from the other side.
Okay, I got one.
Okay, she has one. The winner is Cody. Cody B. All right, the next one is the Split the Pot. Unfortunately, we still do not know how much money is really worth in here yet. We have to count the tickets, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you who won half of this money. All right, here's the 50-50 Split the Pot. There's a lot of tickets in here, and each ticket is worth $10.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, please. I hope you buy me some ice cream, Daniela. All right, is that the end of it?
That's cash, girl.
All right.
That's cash.
All right, so we're gonna count the tickets for the Split the Pot, and we want to thank everyone who donated something for the raffle. We really appreciate it.
Can you hear me? No. All right. I don't really know what to say. I just want to thank everybody for coming out here and supporting us through this whole thing. Thank you for helping out me, my fiance Gracie. We really appreciate it. And thanks to everybody that's hosted this, especially my grandpa, uncle, dad, stepmom, and everybody that's been helping out. Sharon, Gina over there. So I just want to say thank you to everybody and really appreciate all y'all coming out.
Love you, Baba!
All right, so to Split the Pot amount, there was 53 tickets in there that totaled $530 divided by 2, so Daniela gets $265. Make sure you buy me some ice cream.
I'll think about it. Come on, man.
All right, man. Again, thank y'all so much. We appreciate everybody that came out, and we hope y'all had a great time, and we hope you got to say hello to Bubba. So we appreciate it. Much love. We'll see y'all. Thank you very much.